First of all, you need to create a new project, and type your project name and click OK button. Here in drag and drop button control from toolbox. And change it properties to make it clear and look good. Now double-click on button control to go to the code section behind the button click event. In code section we first import library file at the top. Now make SQL connection object here. For data source, go to Server Explorer and add a connection to establish a connection with your database. Provide your server name here, and it will load all your databases included in this server. From here, copy data source. And paste the data source over here. Your database connection is established here. Now open your connection. At the end, you should need to close your connection. Here it is, your database connection is successfully established.